Happy Wednesday. It's time for our chart of the week, and we're going to focus on Adobe Systems. ADBE is the symbol here. This is a big software company that has started to turn around here. They have earnings coming out next month in September, and we think the stock is making a nice move here and could make a substantial move higher in front of earnings and through earnings of in September. So let's take a look at the chart here right now. So as you can see, this is a chart that I've drawn out since the beginning of 2023, and after a very nice sideways consolidation where a nice base was built for about 4.5 months, we had a big breakout here from that base in the early part of June, and with a series of higher highs and higher lows. But notice the candles, the colors of the candles are still have been teal or blue all the way up from the beginning of June. And even right now, as the stock has corrected a bit in August, the candlesticks are still showing teal, which is cautiously bullish, but still bullish. When it's light blue, it's strongly bullish based on composite of indicators used for the go, no go indicator. So as you can see, some of the other secondary indicators I have looked at below over here are still pretty bearish, right? Because we have come down quite a bit from the beginning of August. Some of that momentum from June and July has just gone away. We see the MACD has crossed down under here. The chicken money flow here is making lower highs, lower lows, but we're below the zero line, but we're making a move, starting to make a move back above there. The no sure thing indicator is still negative, but take a look at the bottom here, the TDI, the Traders Dynamic Index, which takes a look at relative strength as it relates to where the stock is with Bollinger Bands. It's starting to turn upwards here. We don't have a bullish crossover as of yet, though. But one thing I wanted to notice a similarity in from back in May, when we had this long consolidation here, and we pulled back a bit underneath some moving averages, and then shot right back out. I think we're going to get that same sort of behavior here. If we do pull back below these moving averages over here, should only last for a couple of days, couple of sessions, and then we get a poke right back up. That would be your buy signal. So basically, how would that look on the chart? We'd see prices starting to come down a little bit here, maybe bounce around a bit over here, maybe upwards, and then let's see here, and then maybe back down a little bit over here, and then perhaps a move right up there over here. So that's kind of how I think that this is going to look here. Yeah, there we go. How, with the bounce down and a bounce right back up, much like we had over here in the beginning of June. So take a look at Adobe here. This is again, it's an expensive stock, $520 stock here, and we think that this stock has probably got some legs to make a run towards 600 before it's all over. All right, thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys.